Hey guys, so welcome back. I hope you all are doing great. So today's video is going to be my Sarojini Nagar haul. Now, thank you so much for showing so much love to my last Sarojini Nagar video, and I was so motivated to film another one, but I just couldn't find time to go to Delhi and shop. So if you have already seen my Guwahati vlog, which I am planning to upload before this video goes up, I went to Sarojini Nagar. It was not at all planned. It was a very impromptu trip to Sarojini Nagar. So yeah, I also talked about that in my vlog, and as I told you guys, I would be filming a haul for sure. I am not doing a try on haul unlike the last time because I don't have anybody here to film a video for me. My sister usually does that, like all my outfit shots and everything. But the best part is that you will see me wearing them in another video, which is going to be a lookbook. And also I'll be uploading a lot of pictures with the same outfits on my Instagram. Make sure you follow me on my Instagram. So let's just quickly begin with the haul. Now I didn't go there with a motive to shop. I just went there to just take a look around, and I didn't even carry that much cash. I just had around 3,000 rupees or 4,000 rupees with me. So I was just looking around, and I was in no mood to shop. Like, I didn't really wanted to buy a lot of pieces, and I did not buy anything from Winters because if you know me, I do not like buying winter clothes. Most of the clothes that I bought are very gives you a very holiday vibe and are super cute for summers, but nothing that great for winters. So let's just quickly begin. So the first thing that I got is this dress, and this is how the neckline is. It's got these two little strings and a whole hand work going on over here, and it's got these two tassels, and then you can see this is the print of the dress, and it's got this little elastic over here, which I'm not a very great fan of, but still it looks very nice and it fits me so well. Oh god, I'm not at all good at showing clothes. I'm so sorry. So I'm just gonna try and show you guys as much as I can, otherwise you will see me wearing them soon. This is the cut of the dress. It's actually a high-low dress, and I think it would look great as a kurti also. Like, I can wear it with black jeans or with black leggings, and this would still look cute. So the next dress that I got is for a friend. This is how it looks like. This is a very short dress. It's just like just above your knees, and it's got padding in here, and this is how it looks like. It is a very sexy dress, and I really like the print. Like, it's sexy and casual and just looks super cute on anyone who can carry it. Next I got is something which I've been eyeing for such a long time. It's an overall. I really wanted to buy a nice rugged overall for such a long time, and I was just waiting, like whenever I'll go to Sarojini Nagar I will buy it, because this is just like something which I wanted to buy as a trend. So I was really hesitant on spending like 2,000-3,000 rupees on an overall from Zara or from Forever 21, because they are quite expensive. So I thought whenever I'll go to Sarojini Nagar, I'll probably buy one for 400-500 rupees and I'll just get over with it. So yeah, I got this one. This is actually for 400 rupees. This is how the it's like denim fabric, and this is the top, and then it's got these cuts over here. I really like this one. It's just very boho. I was really scared that it might not fit me that great, but it does fit me pretty decently. Like, I really like the fit of it and everything, and this would look so cute with a crop top or with a high neck. Next thing that I got is this one. This is like a jacket which is so cute. Like, this is the only thing that I got for winters. This is how it looks like. It is so cute, and it's very heavy. Like, the fabric is actually very heavy, and it's all woolen. So this is not a print, guys. This is actually 3D. So I think it's just like a work or some woolen stuff. So it's not like a print. It's actually very heavy, and it's like this 3D thing going on. So this is the back. It's full sleeves. It's so cute. I think I just love this one. I haven't worn it yet, but I really like this one. Next thing I got is my favorite item from all the haul. This is like a skirt that I got. This is how it looks like. It's like, here it might look like it's red, but it's actually like a very burnt reddish brown kind of a shade, and the print is so cute, and the dress looks so cute. I really like this one. This is definitely one of my favorite buys. So these were all the clothes that I bought. I know I didn't bought many. So the next thing that I got is a purse. This one is from my sister. This is like a very nice blush pink nude kind of a purse, and it's like a sling bag, and it's so cute, and it comes with a handle. And this is how it looks like when you open it up, and it's quite nice quality. Like, I really like the quality of this purse, and it was only, okay, my hair is stuck, and it was only for rupees 350, which is like crazy, and such a good quality purse. I had to buy this. Next I got is another purse which I got for my mom. This is how the purse looks like. It's like a tan brown kind of a purse, which is like polished, and obviously it's not the real leather, but it does give a very nice look of camel leather. And this one was for 350 rupees only, which I think is crazy. So yeah, the dress, so this dress was for 200 rupees, and this skirt was also for 200 rupees only. Price of this overall is 450 or 500 rupees, and I got this one for 350 rupees, and the price of this was around 320 rupees, which is crazy. So the next thing that I got are these two jhumkas. These are like really pretty golden colored, antique golden colored jhumki for my friend. Like, this one is for me and this one is for a friend. I really like them, and these were quite cheap. These were for 50 rupees only. Next thing is again these two earrings. This one is like, I got these for my sister and my friend as well. So this is how it looks like. It is so pretty. I don't know if you can see. This one is in silver and this one is in golden color. These are so cute. You can wear this with a kurti, and this would look so pretty. Like, you can actually wear this every day. So the next thing that I got are 3 pair of sunglasses. Now, I really liked the sunglasses that they had, and they were super cheap. So I just bought them because, you know, they were funky. Obviously these are not high quality sunglasses. These are just good for, you know, selfies and pictures and stuff. All of the sunglasses were for 200 rupees each. Like, I'm not kidding, seriously, 200 rupees each. So this is the first one. It looks so cute, and it's got these silver reflectors and this thing going on, which I think is so dope. Next I got is another pair of sunglasses. I just wanted some nice funky sunglasses. Again, I got these one. This is how it looks. I don't know if it looks that great on me. I actually gave this to a friend, and he really liked it, and it was looking great on him. So yeah, I don't know if I'll keep them or not, but for now, for 200 rupees, I don't think it's bad at all. The quality is not that, you know, pathetic. For 200 rupees, you still get a metal thingy going on. So the last one that I got is actually one of my favorite sunglasses, and these were again for 200 rupees. Like this leopard print with a gold detailing. It looks good on my face. So this is just perfect for my face shape, and I really like these sunglasses. I think they look so cute. So yeah guys, this was my Sarojini Nagar haul. I really hope you guys like this video. Please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and follow me on all of my social media. And also guys, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't. This would mean a lot to me. And yeah, I can't wait to see you guys again in my next video really soon. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!